What's up, streetwear enthusiasts? Welcome back to the channel, your go-to spot for all things DIY, streetwear and fashion. Today, we are diving into hottest streetwear trends in 2024 that you absolutely want to know about. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Before we get started, let me ask you, are you ready to be ahead of fashion curve and rock the freshest looks this year? Stick around because we have got some mind-blowing trends that will elevate your style game. First one is sustainable streetwear. Let's talk sustainability in 2024. Eco-friendly fashion is not just a trend, it's a movement. Brands are getting creative on recycled materials and sustainable practices. We are seeing everything from upcycled denim to organic cotton hoodies. If you care about the planet and your style, this is the trend you can't ignore. Second one is tech-infused apparel. We are stepping into the future of tech-infused apparel. Imagine clothes that change color based on your mood or temperature. Smart fabrics and wearable technology are taking a streetwear to the next level. From LED embedded jackets to temperature regulating shirts. These innovative pieces are not only functional but also incredibly stylish. Third one is bold prints and graphics. Bold prints and graphics are making a huge comeback this year. Eye-catching patterns and graphic tees that make a statement. It's all about expressing yourself and stand out from the crowd. Look at these awesome designs. Whether it's a retro-inspired graphic or a modern abstract print, there's something for everyone. Fourth one is utility and functionality. Functionality meets fashion with a utility trend. Think cargo pants, multi-pocket vests, and also tactical belts. These pieces are not only stylish but also practical for everyday wear. Utility streetwear is for those who love rugged, versatile look that they can handle anything that a day throws on them. Point number 5. Vintage revival. Lastly, we have vintage revival. 90s and 2000 fashion are back in a big way. From baggy jeans to retro sneakers, this trend is all about nostalgia with a modern twist. These vintage pieces are not only a blast from the past, they are being reimagined with contemporary elements that make them fresh and relevant. So speaking of unique and stylish streetwear, I want to give a shout out to my own brand, Querencia by Pritam Shinde. We are all about merging cutting edge designs, offering you pieces that make you stand out from the crowd. Querencia has something for every streetwear enthusiast. Be sure to check out our latest collection on website and follow us on Instagram for more updates. And there you have it, the top streetwear trends of 2024 that you need to know. Which trend are you more excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell below so you never miss on the latest fashion tips, trends and DIY projects. It's your boy Pritam Shinde signing out. Peace.